In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Vercel deployment. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cancel a deployment that's in progress or remove one you no longer need, all from the Vercel dashboard safely and confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to vercel.com. Once you're on the site and signed into the correct account or team workspace, you'll land in the dashboard. This is where all your projects and recent activity live. If you manage multiple projects or teams, take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace to avoid touching the wrong deployment. Next, look for the deployments area at the top of the dashboard. Clicking deployments brings up a list of recent builds across your projects. You will see statuses like queued, building, ready, or error. If your goal is to stop something that's currently running, focus on entries marked queued or building. You can also use the search or filters to narrow down by project, branch, or status if the list is long. Find the specific deployment you want to act on and click it to open its details. This page shows helpful context such as the commit message, branch, environment, and any preview URL. Take a moment here to confirm you're looking at the right item. Double check whether it's a preview deployment on a feature branch or a production one tied to your main branch. This quick verification can prevent accidental disruption, especially if the deployment is already serving live traffic. In the deployment view, look for the three dots icon, often called the overflow menu. You'll typically find it near the top right of the page, or alongside the deployment if you're still on the list view. Clicking those three dots reveals additional actions for that deployment. Choose Delete. Vercel will ask you to confirm because deleting a deployment is a permanent action. When you confirm, an in-progress deployment is canceled and stops building immediately. A completed deployment is removed from your list, and its preview URL stops working. Be cautious. If the deployment you're deleting is currently aliased to production, removing it can impact what's live. Always confirm the label, production, or preview before finalizing the deletion. After you confirm, the deployment disappears from the list, and the build, if it was running, is halted. That's all there is to it. To recap, you go to vercel.com, open deployments, select the specific deployment, open the three-dot menu, and delete. If you need records for later, consider reviewing or downloading logs before deletion. And if you don't see the delete option, you may need higher permissions within your team. Thanks for watching and happy building.